Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can play Geometry Dash on a school computer or any computer. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy and simple. What you have to do is just go to your web browser and you need to type in Steam first of all, and you need to download Steam. So just go to Steam's website and install Steam. Once the Steam is installed, what you have to do is just go to Steam, and right over here you just gotta go to Store, and you need to type in Geometry Dash. And right over here it's on sale as well. It's like $3 right now, so you can just directly add to cart Geometry Dash, and then you gotta press for continue shopping, and once it's in your cart, just do this, and right over here you just gotta go ahead and pay for it. So just go ahead and do this, and right over here once you do the payment, you can directly play Geometry Dash on your school computer or any computer. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.